Hi, my name is Cherokee, and for my project I've decided to create right circular cylinder end tables that will look something like this. For the purpose of this project, my clients were looking for rustic themed furniture that would tie right in with the other modern rustic themed furniture that they currently have in place in their home. Keeping in mind that my clients are on the younger side and like to host quite a few parties and other things, I have designed these end tables to have multiple purposes. These end tables can not only be used for end tables, but can also be used as seatings if circular round seat cushions are placed on top of them. They were also created to be hollow so that they could be used for storage as well. After receiving the dimensions that you would like your end tables to be, I was able to then find the volume and surface area of them. While finding the volume of your end tables, since they are cylinders, I had to look up the formula for the volume of a cylinder, which is pi times the radius squared times the height. After finding the formula, I was then able to plug in the numbers that you gave me, which were 20 inches high and 18 inches wide. After plugging them in to the formula, pi times the radius, which is 8 squared, times the height, which is 20, I got 4021.2386 inches cubed. Finding the surface area of your end tables was a little harder because I had to look up two different formulas to be able to get the surface area. I first had to find the area of a circle, which would be the shapes of the bases of your end tables. And the formula for the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. When taking the information and numbers that you've given me and putting them into the formula, it would be pi times 8 squared, which then would give me 201.0619298. After finding the base of one circle, I was able to just do the same thing and find the radius of the other circle, or the base. Now I had to find the surface area of the lateral, which is the height of your end tables unrolled. The area for the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi times the radius times the height. When plugging this in, I then got 2 pi times 8 times 20, which then gave me 1005.309649. After finding the area of the two bases and the height of the cylinder, I was then able to add them all together and find the complete surface area of your end table, which was 1407.43 inches squared. Here is a little model that I have, which would, since it is a rustic theme, and rustic themes are usually old outside stuff, I was able to find a can that I had in my home, and it would kind of look like a can, but it wouldn't have all these ridges. This model is actually 4 inches in height and 2.5 inches in width. My reaction to the project was that the project actually was fun after finding the numbers that I wanted to use and plug in to create the product that I was trying to sell. The relevance to this project that I feel that I had to teaching and the career of education is that when you are going to be giving your future students information, you need to make sure that the steps are clear and what you want them to do, so that there are no issues with the communication or what they need to complete. I also felt that when you are giving instructions, that you need to make sure that they are clear so that there are no miscommunication between you and your students. Um, the responsibility as a teacher, I feel that a teacher, we need to be completely aware of what we are teaching and be on top of the information that we need to be portraying to our students so that we are confident when giving this information so our students can also feel confident in us and asking questions and receiving the proper answers. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed my project, and